Well, we're back out here, Tavares Lake, checking it out, seeing what's going on out here. Guy over there messing with his boat. Looks like the water's high. Had a lot of rain the last few days. Regal, yeah. Nice Regal boat there. Guy's hopping on. Getting ready to boogie out of here. You got a nice boat, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, Regal. I had a nice boat at one time. You know how that goes.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Guys going out for fishing or just for a ride or just riding around? Yeah. That's what we used to do too. Just mess around, you know. Wow. Cool.
Later.
Have a really good day.
All right. Burn this drag on it? Never did that. That's chlorine free. Man. Never did.
That sun's real bright, guys, so I don't know how it's gonna go here. Let's see if we can follow these guys out of here. This is how you get out of this over here, guys. Right out into the lake. Very cool. Mary Ann. Cool. Alright, there's the lake out there, guys. Well, we've come as far as we can. Wow, cool. Very cool. There he goes. Yeah. Let it rip, Big Daddy. Yeah. Wow. Cool. How you doing, man?
Doing good, sir. How are you?
Pretty good. You catching anything, man?
Yeah, I got me one this morning.
Oh, wow. Cool. Cool.
Yep.
Very cool, man. Very cool. Hope you catch a few more, man. I just thought I'd come check it out. Wow. Have a good day, man. Well, guys, that's what it looks like over here. All right. We'll head back right there. We'll boogie on out of here. All right.